All right, let's do a quick review of multiplying polynomials. Multiplying polynomials is pretty easy. There are two strategies we learned. I'm going to show you both of them, and then I'm going to use the box, which I just prefer because it's organized. It's easy for me to keep track of what I'm doing. So on this first example here, I'm going to do both. So I'll do the box first, and then I'll do algebraic distribution, which we more commonly call FOIL. So first of all, with this, all I'm doing is I'm multiplying, but I have to be really careful. So I'm going to start by making a box. Since these are my factors, they go on the outside. Now notice that the 7, the sign, I have it with the number. It's not in the middle, it's with the number. That way I don't make any sign mistakes. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm multiplying. So think of this like array, like an array. Okay, I'm going to multiply this times that, and the answer goes in that box. So 2x, 2 times 2 is 6, x times x is x squared. Okay, now I'm going to do this number by this number, and the answer is going to go in that box. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9x. Okay, and then for this one, I'll do this times this, and the answer will go in that box. 2 times 7 is 14x. And then for the last one, I'll do, where can I do this? Okay, that times that. Negative 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Okay, so again, I know that's kind of messy, but that's what we're doing. We're multiplying them and we're putting them where they cross. This is like that partial product multiplication y'all did in 4th and 5th grade. Now I'm going to combine like terms. My like terms are going to be in this diagonal. Okay, so I've only got one x term, right? So I'm x squared. I've got 6x squared, nothing to combine it with. 14 and negative 9. 14 minus 9 is positive 5x. Okay. And then negative 21 has nothing to combine with. And so that is my answer. Now, if I used FOIL, which is the algebraic distribution method, then what I would do is I would write it like this. So 2x minus 3, or what, I don't know what was first, okay, times 3x plus 7. And then I would start doing all these arrows. Okay, so I would multiply the first. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. Then the outside, 2 times 7 is positive 14x. Then the inside, negative 3 times 3 is minus 9x. Then the last ones are minus 21. Notice it's the exact same thing that I've got in the box. 6x squared is here, it's there. 14x is there. Negative 9x is there. Negative 21x is there. So it's all the same stuff, okay? Now I'm going to combine my like terms, which are my x's. 6x squared has nothing to combine with. 14 minus 9 is positive 5x minus 21, and I got the same answer, okay? Let's look at this one. So this is, in this case, they are asking for area. This is one of the problems that we did on the wall today. They are asking for area. So if they were asking for perimeter, I'd have to be super duper careful and make sure that I labeled all the sides and add them all together. But since they're asking for area, all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it in a box and multiply it. 7x plus 3, 6x minus 3. 7 times 6 is 42. X squared. 6 times 3 is 18x. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21x. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. Okay, now I'm going to start combining my like terms. Again, remember my like terms are going to be on these diagonals. Okay, 42x squared doesn't have anything to combine with. Okay, whoopsie. 42x squared. 21, negative 21 and positive 18, I have more negatives. I've got 3 more negatives. Okay, and then minus 9. And that is my answer.